Want to try trading with pro features for free? Let me show you how in just 3 simple steps. First, download the app. It works on PC and smartphones, so choose what's more convenient for you. Next, register with one of the brokers available directly inside the app. No extra searching, everything is already integrated. Then make your first deposit. The amount doesn't matter, even the minimum is enough. Right after that, you get full pro access, completely free. No subscription, no hidden conditions. Download the app, register with a broker, make your first deposit, and start using pro features today.